Next up, Hero Run for White Lotus. We need to complete 3 rescue hostage contracts, each in under 2 minutes. It's super simple to do. Obviously, all we need to do is activate the hostage rescue contracts, which are 2 handcuffs on the map, navigate across to them, pick up the hostage, and get to the extract and either drop the hostage down or drop it down and extract with the hostage. Obviously, the latter will mean that you have to come into the next game to finish off everything. Either way, it's super simple to do, though it's best done with a friend or at least with a vehicle nearby, or rather always with a vehicle nearby. If you pick up a hostage, you're not able to vault or anything like that, so the absolute best thing to do is bring a vehicle nearby, park it on say a rock that you can easily hop onto, and then into the truck or onto the vehicle, and that way you can easily navigate around the place and get to the pickup point, which may be quite far away from you. Usually not too far away, but it can be pretty far away. This mission is super easy to do for the most part. Just run around and pick up the hostage contracts, which is the icon of just handcuffs. Then as soon as you hit F to activate them, the mission timer will start. You'll need to run over to the hostage building, get inside, kill the bots, rescue the hostage after defusing the bomb, and get to a helicopter, drop them inside, and start the extraction before the timer runs out. It's a very pressured mission, and it's best done with friends, though just as long as you have a vehicle nearby you can hop into, dump the hostage on the vehicle. If you're solo, you can drive to the extraction point relatively easy, and it's usually not too much of an issue.
Get on the rock, get on the rock, get on the rock, get on the rock. What's the worst that could happen? Oh, absolutely nothing.
Anyways, that's about it for the super quick guide. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!